Hi, this is Crazy with Reegan, and today I'm going to show you what I do every single day. Let's get started. First, I'm starting out by making my bed for the day. It always makes me feel ready for the day.
I am done.
I'm done. Now it's time to eat. Today I'm actually going to go get some new shoes and stuff. And yes, I did get braces. Oh, and I think I have a little time before I do that, so I think I'm going to clean my room. Just organize it. It's not that messy, but I need to organize. I've been trying to organize more lately. Yeah. I'm taking a break because I need a bathroom break. Yay, so exciting. Totally needed to tell you guys that. I'm back. Yay. Any of these clips, if you saw me talking, I was talking to my Alexa. Okie dokie. It's cleaned out, but it's not organized yet. Guys, I have too many papers. You have to see. Look from the side. I have a million. Over exaggerating. I'll do one more time lapse, then I'm gonna skip to the end. Yay. Going to skip to the end. Bye. It's actually time to leave now to go get shoes. And this is my progress. It's not the best thing in the world, but if you hear talking in the background, I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry, your face is cut off. I'm so sorry. Sorry, the apartment clothes that I got, my mom gave me. I decided to film the rest of the time because I have barely anything else to do for organizing this mess. Anyway. I have all these pencils to sharpen downstairs. So I'm gonna go do that. Bye. These weren't even sharpened yet. They were just brand new right out of the box. And the electric sharpener took 5 seconds to fully even sharpen them. Okay, I'm done. it's nicer. This is the after results for the floor. And inside, it looks way better than it did before. Beautiful. There's this, my microscope, which doesn't really work that well. And bathroom stuff. I have a lot. These aren't all of my erasers here. There's still some down here, and hard opening it up. That's it. Yay.
Okay, this is the before.
And this is the after. So much better.
Okay, this is itching my head off. That feels so much better. I think I'm gonna do my hair. Or paint my nose or something. So let's get to it. I think I'm gonna go charge my phone because it's at 19%. So I'm gonna go do that. So bye. 1 second. Yeah. Hi, I'm back. I decided to change my outfit because I was a little bit uncomfortable. So I decided to change. And there's like dark stuff in my eyes, so I decided to take that off because it was eyeshadow from 2 days ago. So, and my hair is still messy, but you know. I really don't know what to do right now because I'm a little bored. And my friends were coming over, but not today, on Sunday. So, I guess I will look up what to do. That's just a thing. I decided to play Roblox. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button.
These are some pictures I found from editing.